Hi guys, today's grammar lesson is on linking words of contrast. The words like although, though, even though. So let's get started. In this grammar lesson, we will learn when, why, and how we use these words. So the first question we should ask is, why we need these words? We need these words to connect two opposite ideas together in a sentence. We're going to review some examples to understand why, when, and how we use these words.
Let's start with the word although. When you exercise, you can lose weight. But here I'm saying, although I exercise every day, I'm not losing any weight. I am connecting two opposite ideas with the help of although. Although I have a driving license, I don't know how to drive. Here, I'm connecting two opposite ideas again. Having a driving license and not knowing how to drive. And I'm using the word although. Normally, when the weather is really cold, you wear a jacket or a hoodie. But here I'm saying, although it's freezing outside, he's wearing just a t-shirt. So freezing outside and wearing just a t-shirt are two opposite ideas. Let's talk about the sentence structure now. In all these sentences, you can see that the word although is followed by a subject and a verb. Although it is, although I have, although I exercise. You can also invert the order of these two clauses. This means the word although can also be used in the middle of a sentence.
Now, let's talk about the word even though. What is the difference between even though and although? Actually, there is no difference. Even though is simply stronger version of although. You can use even though the same way and the meaning won't change. It's just that when you want to put more emphasis on what you are saying, you can use even though.
We can use even though in the same way as although. We use a subject and a verb after even though. You can start a sentence with even though, or you can also use it in the middle of a sentence.
Let's talk about the word though. Though is more informal and very common in spoken English. The only difference between though and although is that you can use though at the end of a sentence too, but you cannot use the word although at the end of a sentence.
The word though is also used to connect two contrasting ideas. It can be used in the same way as although. The only difference is, though can also go at the end of the second phrase.
One of the common mistakes with the use of although, even though, and though is, people tend to use the word but with although. So they say, although I exercise every day, but I'm not losing any weight. You don't need two although and but together in one sentence. So if you use although, there is no need of using but in the same sentence. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope that this video helped you understand how you can use although, though, even though correctly and confidently. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write in the comment section, and I'll see you guys again. Take care.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.